In order to get to Discord, you would need to go to discord.com. If you already have an account, then you could just easily press on this button here to bring you into your Discord account. If not, then just click on the login button on the top right hand side. Then click on the register button. Then add your details. Once you've added your details, you do now need to verify your account using your email address. So let's head over back to our email and we can verify that. Now everything is verified. Now we have a Discord account. Discord is an app which you can download to your computer, your tablet, or your mobile phone. In this tutorial, I will be mainly using the desktop version, but I would recommend you downloading the mobile phone app as well, because then you could just show all of your friends and your family your images really quickly that way. More on those details later.